So now we're back with our dashboard. What we'll do now, we'll just use the split screen option of Chrome, and we'll open our simulator. So here we show the power meter. So any value in grey is a number we can enter, which is really just to give us some numbers. We can adjust the load, and we can adjust the solar output. And this gives us some information on the inverters, so it tells us what our output is and what we're actually using relative to the potential. Keep in mind we set here that we wanted between 10 and 20 kilowatt export. So if I change the load or change the solar, then the inverters will alter to try and maintain a number around about here. The other relevant thing is the blue number is actually the value that comes from the Wattmon, so 600 being 60% to the SOFAR, and the ABB uses a number between 4,000 and 20,000, which is like a 40-20 milliamp signal. So again, 12,000 is the value here, which is 60%. So if we make some adjustments, if we change the solar, we can see what we're using and what the potential is. So we've got 169 kilowatt load, we've got 210 kilowatts being produced, which we're limiting to 180 kilowatts. And that gives us our 11.13 kilowatts. So if I adjust this, there's not a lot going to happen because we're limiting at the moment. But if I get us down below, so our 58 potential, and we're using 60, so now we should start to increase the limit. And probably we need a bit more sun or a bit less load to actually get us back into exporting. So if I make it 160 kilowatt load, and we're generating 60%, so we're generating 180 kilowatt, we've got 11.13 export, and we're using 171. So we're slightly limiting here. But if I increase the solar, you can see that essentially all we do is increase the limit. It doesn't make any difference here. And varying the load, again we'll get to a point where we will adjust the limit, and that will bring us back up to our area where we want to be with our export. So hopefully that's given you a good idea of what the Wattmon is about and how to configure it. It's a reasonably straightforward device, but there's a few more things that we'll go into in another video. But thank you for your time.